All right, we've had a lot of our customers ask us about how they add the logo on this credit card authorization form. It's a simple process. All you gotta do is you see where it says your logo here, just simply click on that. That should bring up this dialog box for you, and then you can hit browse, which should then allow you to see where you want to go. I'm going to click here. I have an image here that I'm going to just upload the logo. You'll see this. Once that's there, you can hit OK. And now you can see that the logo has been changed to your logo. And then once you want to save it, all you got to do is X out of the document, and it'll prompt you with this little bar here saying, would you like to save before closing? And you would hit yes. And that would let you name it and all that kind of stuff. But that's as simple as it is.